Danger of sugar and salt on the body. White poison. Negative impact on liver health. Consuming too much sugar, especially in the form of fructose, can overload the liver and lead to non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Increased risk of chronic diseases. Excessive sugar consumption has been connected to an increased risk of chronic diseases such as type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and certain types of cancer. Kidney damage. Consuming too much salt can put a strain on the kidneys, leading to kidney damage over time. The kidneys play a vital role in maintaining fluid balance and eliminating waste products from the body. Increased risk of stomach cancer. A high-salt diet has been associated with an increased risk of stomach cancer. It is believed that the body's response to high salt intake may damage the stomach lining. 5 dangerous symptoms of blood cancer. Itchy skin or rash. Persistent itching or skin rash that doesn't go away with typical treatments. Fatigue and weakness. Persistent fatigue and weakness that cannot be explained by other factors is a common symptom of blood cancer. It may be accompanied by a general feeling of being unwell. Weakened immune system. Leukemia can weaken the immune system, making individuals more susceptible to infections. Frequent or persistent infections, such as respiratory infections or frequent fevers, may be a symptom of leukemia. Easy bruising and bleeding. Leukemia can interfere with the normal production of blood cells, resulting in a low platelet count. This can lead to easy bruising, prolonged bleeding from cuts or injuries, or spontaneous bleeding from the gums or nose. Swollen lymph nodes. Swollen lymph nodes, especially in the neck, armpits, or groin, can be a sign of leukemia. Foods to keep your heart healthy. Fruits and vegetables. These are rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber, and are low in calories. They can help reduce the risk of heart disease. Fish. Fish such as salmon, tuna, and mackerel are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which can help lower the risk of heart disease. Nuts and seeds. These are rich in heart-healthy fats, fiber, and protein. Examples include almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds. Olive oil. This is a healthy source of monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which can help lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Whole grains. These include whole wheat, brown rice, oats, and quinoa. They are rich in fiber, which can help lower cholesterol levels and reduce vitamins to heal and repair your eyes. Vitamin A. Vitamin A plays a crucial role in maintaining good eye health. It helps the retina function properly and supports clear vision, particularly in low light conditions. Good sources of vitamin A include carrots, sweet potatoes, spinach, and kale. Vitamin C. His powerful antioxidant helps reduce the risk of developing cataracts and age-related macular degeneration, AMD. Foods rich in vitamin C include citrus fruits, strawberries, broccoli, and bell peppers. Omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fatty acids support overall eye health by reducing inflammation and improving the function of the retina. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are excellent sources of omega-3s, as are flax seeds and walnuts. Zinc. Zinc is an essential trace mineral that supports the health of the retina and helps prevent AMD. Oysters, beef, beans, and pumpkin seeds are all high in zinc.